In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Skrill app notifications. So if you have been receiving a lot of alerts from this app and you wish to put an end to this, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this helps, please like and subscribe. Now, what you need to do is to access the Skrill app info page for you to stop these notifications. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info option, or the settings gear, or even the name of the app. If you can't see app info, go ahead and tap on it and you'll be taken to the Skrill app info page. You can also access this page through settings. From here, go to permissions section and under it you should see notifications. Currently you can see notifications are turned to yes, and if I tap on notifications, all these types of notifications are on. Among them, permanent notifications, vibration, play sounds, lock screen, floating, as well as notification badges. To turn all of them off at once, just toggle off show notifications here, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive Skrill notifications. So that's how you can permanently disable Skrill app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.